Oh. The floor has gone. Oh my god. Oh shit.
Oh, he's smiling.
Oh, I'm not a fan of this.
Wow, this feels high.
This is hard.
Let's go.
Oh my god. And now we're going to do some kind of spin, I assume? No?
Oh. To the spin.
Oh no, no, no. Oh no, no, no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, no, no.
You okay, Holly?
Whoa, that's a lot of madness. That is madness. Madness. Why do we do this? Why are we doing this? Oh no.
Time to go backwards.
No. Oh, no. Oh my god. Ah! 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 No way. How much more can one human take? Oh. Oh. Oh.
Amazing. How was that, Holly? How was it, Holly?
Please disembark Toxicator and remember to collect all your belongings. Please exit to the far side of the centrifuge platform.